Remove these tabs, 5 of them, as well as every single one holding this trim piece down. You're going to take that trim piece out first. Use a 10mm socket to remove these 4 bolts right here. Go to the passenger side, remove these 2 7mm screws. Once you have all 4 of those screws out, you're going to pull on that piece until you start popping it out. You'll hear the tabs coming out. Next, you're going to want to remove the 2 10mm bolts from either side, one on the passenger, one on the driver. Use a pick or something small to disconnect the wiring to the light going to the emblem. And then one more here. Once you have the grill out like this, you're going to want to remove these 4 10mm nuts right here. Next, remove the 8mm using a long extension and an 8mm socket. There's 3 8mm nuts holding in the emblem. Once you have your hole marked, you're going to take a step drill and drill it to 5/16. Then you're going to take the same drill and drill out some spots, and then you'll cut it out. This is going to give you clearance to run the hose. Place the nozzle in the hole, facing the direction of the camera. This can be adjusted after with a 1/2-inch wrench. And make sure the nozzle fits in with the clearance you just gave it. Take the nut, put it right on the nozzle, and use a 1/2-inch socket to secure it down. Take roughly a 10 to 12-inch section here, snip that, and insert your check valve with the arrow facing in the direction of flow. You have to run the hose down the center so that it doesn't get in the way of the radiator fins here. Either create or open up a hole right in the center of this column. Take your hose and route it through this middle channel and through the hole that you just made. Pull it through here and then attach your check valve section to that hose. Once you have that attached, you're going to want to pull that back through. Just like that. And then put that right on the nozzle you just installed. Reattach the camera wiring connector and then reinstall the emblem. Replace these 2 that you took out. As you can see, this truck already has our kit for the rear cam, as you'll notice by that shut-off valve. We are going to insert this front kit right above that. So we're just going to take our wire cutters or our snips, cut a line here, take the T-fitting that came in your kit, insert that in line, reconnect this side, take the hose that you fished from the grill. If you have excess, just cut that to length. You don't need a ton sticking out. Insert the shutoff valve, take another section of the hose, and then cut about 3 inches past that. And now your front cam cleaner is all connected. All you're going to want to do is zip tie this to anything non-moving out of the way so that when you're removing the battery and stuff like that, it's not snagging on the hose.